This is the Healum software interface designed for GP practices to be simple, easy to use and interoperable. In less than 30 seconds, a GP or practice nurse can share some personalised info, support and local services with Mr. Victor Hansen, who's just been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. The SNOMED codes and lists from the patient record ensures speed. Resources are pre-filtered so that all the GP needs to do is click on newly diagnosed in Victor's case and then just take the resources that, based on their conversation, have been most relevant. Those then get shared to Victor's smartphone. If Victor chooses to do so, he can share his progress with the practice. They can see what he's been doing in between appointments and what resources and services he's engaged with. We've made it easy for the GP practice to be able to set up, manage and moderate the resources and services coming into this software. They're able to see all the different sources from NHS choices to apps to structured education programs and select which resources they want in the system. They're able to look at all the local services and programs that might be part of their social prescribing efforts. And they're also able to create their own resources that they're already using in the system. Mr. Hansen has been told by his GP that he's got type 2 diabetes. When he gets out of surgery, he downloads the app and is able to instantly access all the articles, videos and services that he was told about during his appointment. Right now on the bus home, he wants to watch this video about telling his family and decides that he'll probably sign up to this fan active walking football group and that the video education program looks pretty interesting, but he'll do it when he's got the time to do so. So he saves what he likes, discards what he doesn't like, and then waits for new updates. In between those updates from the GP surgery, the app uses a rules-based algorithm and engagement data to recommend other local services. You can personalise that experience with these filters. All the services and resources that he's saved can be found here in his collections in a nice, easy to access format. If he wants to go into that fan active group and sign up, simply goes into the article and then he can just simply give them a call. As he saves recommended resources and services, he notices that his plan populates, and when he has an appointment with a diabetes nurse, they're able to look at that plan, co-create it together, and then set some helpful goals to get him on his way. Mr. Hansen is able to monitor progress against these goals by monitoring his weight, sleep and steps through wearables and manual input, and then sharing these back with the practice, as well as taking an HbA1c, cholesterol and blood pressure.
If this app had been around when I was first diagnosed diabetic, I think I'd be in a lot better situation now because I'd have been able to learn and manage it a lot quicker and a lot easier.
The Healum app will empower patients to take charge of their own health by allowing patients to access data from a variety of reliable and moderated sources. The app will allow a better understanding of diabetes in itself.